G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. In this episode I'm going to show you how I refurbished my lockers. I got them for free from work. They were just going to toss them out and I thought I can use those. The only problem with them is once you start filling it up there's a lot of unusable space in there, or a lot of wasted space. So I'm going to try and turn them from this. A lot of unusable space in here. To this. And I think you'll find this is a lot more better. I haven't filled them all up yet, but I think that's a lot better. So if you want to see how I did this, follow me and I'll show you how easy it was. Alright, as you can see, I've got the locker emptied out now. This is the one locker. I'm going to put two drawers in here, two drawers of equal size. Now what I've got to do first is I have to build out these walls, because as you can see there's a gap behind here and there's a gap on this side as well. Now if I was to just put the drawer slides in there I wouldn't be able to pull the drawers out, so I've got to build these out so that they're flush with these sides. That's my first step. I don't know if any of you have noticed, but there's a little bit of a dent here which sort of is not in the way. And it's not going to bother me too much, and I think that's why they threw these lockers out, because there's a little bit of damage on them here and there, but again, if you get it for free you're not going to ask questions. So the first thing I've got to do is build out these sides, so let's go on and get that done. What I've got here are the parts that are going to go on the side walls of the locker on the interior, and I'm going to be just nailing them together, no glue or anything like that, just nailing them together like that. And then the drawer slide will be fitted on here. So first thing I've got to do is just staple these together. I've got my staple gun ready. And again, there's no critical measurement here. I'm just going to, by eye, centre it so that it's in the centre. And then pop some staples down the guts. And there's one put together. So now when I fit that in the locker, I'll screw that to the side from the inside. And then my drawer slide just sits on there. So let's get the rest of these done. As you can see, I've got the holders in there for the drawer slides. The drawer slides are just going to fit on here like this, like so, on both of them. I would have taken footage of how I put those in there, but trust me, there's absolutely no room in there to get a camera in there or to do anything. So I just did them all off camera. So now I've got to take a measurement between these 2 points, add the thickness of my drawer slides, and make my drawers. So let's go do that. Okay, so off camera I cut all the pieces for the drawers. Here they all are. I've got two sides, front and the back, and the bottom. Now very, very simple construction. It's just going to be glue and brad nails holding it in. These drawers aren't going to be holding any kind of weight or anything like that, so they don't need to be super strong. But with the glue and the nails, they'll be strong enough. So let's go ahead and start making them. there we have one drawer. Now I'll go put it in the cupboard. So there they are, the two drawers put in. I can't show you how I put them in because there's not enough room in there to put a camera in and take footage of that. But just rest assured that it was a pain in the bum. There's not a lot of room in there to play with. But the drawers are in and they work fine. I've already started putting stuff in there, and it's a lot more user friendly now. I can actually get to what's in the back quite easily, as you can see. On my next video that I put out, I'm actually going to put in some adjustable shelves in these two top ones, adjustable shelves. The two lockers below these two are going to have more drawers. I'm going to put more drawers in those, and the two down the bottom, I have no idea what I'm going to do with those. So if you've got any suggestions with what I should do in there, be it drawers or adjustable shelves or slide out trays, whatever, let me know, and I'll take all that on board. But as opposed to this, I'm very happy with the way this turned out. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. I'll read all the comments. And with that, I'll finish this video by saying please like and subscribe, share the video amongst your friends, let them know what I've been up to. And if you like what you saw, obviously give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.